How to create an account on Babbel. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create an account on Babbel. So to do that, first of all, download the Babbel app from either your Play Store or your App Store. And once you've downloaded the app, simply open it. Now, as soon as you open the app, your home interface will look somewhat like this, where you'll have to basically, first of all, choose a language. Now tap on your language which you speak, and then choose which language you want to learn. Now tap on the option next. Now, once you've done all of those, you'll have to select how old you are. After that, how did you hear about Babbel and stuff? Now you'll have to enter your name. After that, enter your email address, or you can also see the option more sign up options. So if you tap on it, you'll basically get three different options. The first one is Google, the second is Facebook, and the third one is your Apple. So you can use any of these three to sign in or create an account on Babbel. So for now, I'll simply choose my Apple account. Tap on the option continue. And now it'll ask you to select a subscription. So you can either choose the 12-month subscription, the 6-month subscription, or the lifetime subscriptions. For now, I'll simply cross this out. Then again, cross this out. And there you have it. So that is basically how you create an account on Babbel. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. And if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.